In a world where tradition meets technology, a new era of cocoa cultivation is taking root. Across a vast tropical landscape, the journey begins with intelligent land preparation. John Deere autonomous systems map the terrain, analyze soil health, and design a resilient agroforestry system, where cocoa and plantain grow together, creating balance, shade, and sustainability. In high-tech nurseries, cocoa seeds awaken. Carefully monitored by smart sensors, only the healthiest seedlings are selected, the future of premium cocoa taking its first breath. These young cocoa seedlings are gently transplanted into the field, aligned in perfect rows beneath protective plantain shade. Here, nature and precision work hand in hand. Above the canopy, John Deere autonomous robotic drones rise into the sky. Hovering with purpose, they deliver water and nutrients in fine, snowy showers, each drop calculated, each plant supported, with zero waste. As the months pass, the cocoa trees grow stronger. Their leaves deepen in color, roots spread wider, and data-driven systems continuously monitor growth, soil biology, and plant health. When flowering begins, technology safeguards the process. Conditions are optimized for pollination and pod formation, ensuring higher yields and superior quality. Soon, vibrant cocoa pods emerge. Advanced imaging systems scan the field, identifying perfect ripeness and signaling the ideal harvest window. Autonomous harvesters move through the plantation, gently collecting mature pods. Robotic carriers transport them efficiently from field to processing centers. Inside modern fermentation facilities, cocoa beans begin their transformation. Temperature, airflow, and timing are precisely controlled, unlocking the rich flavors the world loves. Dried beans enter state-of-the-art factories, where they are cleaned, roasted, ground, and refined under strict quality control, ensuring traceability and excellence. Finally, cocoa products are packaged, stored in climate-controlled warehouses, and distributed through smart global supply chains, ready for markets near and far. From African soil to global shelves, this is more than cocoa farming. This is intelligence, sustainability, and prosperity, growing together. In a world where tradition, from waste to wealth, a new chapter in smart garden agriculture begins. Within the modern farmyard, autonomous robots collect organic manure with unmatched precision and care. Intelligent systems sort, process, and transform waste through controlled composting, activating powerful natural nutrients. Temperature, moisture, and microbial life are continuously monitored to ensure safe, high-quality organic fertilizer. Enriched and stabilized, the manure becomes a living resource for the soil. Guided by real-time data, robotic applicators deliver nutrients exactly where plants need them most. The result is healthier soil, stronger crops, and thriving gardens. This is sustainability perfected, autonomous farmyard manure shaping the future of smart gardens. The future of sustainability begins with innovation. Autonomous robots collect organic waste from farms, homes, and markets, scanning and sorting every material with artificial intelligence. Robotic arms shred and blend food scraps and crop residues with scientific precision, creating the perfect compost balance. Inside smart composting chambers, sensors carefully regulate heat, moisture, and oxygen, accelerating natural decomposition. Autonomous turning systems keep the process clean, efficient, and odor-free, while real-time data ensures optimal results. Robotic labs test nutrient quality, guaranteeing safe, rich, and consistent organic compost. The finished compost is automatically screened, packaged, and prepared for distribution. Electric vehicles and drones deliver it back to farms and gardens, closing the circular economy loop. This is not just waste management. This is intelligent composting, turning waste into wealth, regenerating soils, and powering the future. Powered by Massey Ferguson innovation, autonomous machines move with purpose. Harvesting sorghum at peak maturity, clean cuts, minimal loss, maximum efficiency, designed for tropical resilience. Inside the machine, the harvest transforms. Threshing, cleaning, and grading happen instantly. Only premium grain moves forward, market ready before it leaves the field. Without stopping, the journey continues. Autonomous logistics carry clean Guinea corn to smart storage, protected from heat, moisture, and loss, preserving value at every step. Digitally traced, professionally packaged, globally connected. This is not just harvesting. This is the future of tropical sorghum, autonomous, profitable, and ready for the world. In the heart of the city, a new kind of farming awakens. Powered by John Deere Innovation, a futuristic autonomous robotic bull moves with purpose, bringing strength, intelligence, and precision to urban okra and onion production. It reads the soil, nurtures every bed, and cares for each plant with data-driven accuracy. No wasted water, no damaged crops, just smart, sustainable growth. Clean energy fuels every step, turning tradition into tomorrow. When harvest time comes, gentle robotic hands deliver fresh produce, perfectly sorted, ready for the city. This is not just farming. This is autonomy meeting sustainability. This is how cities will feed themselves, stronger, smarter, and greener than ever. Guardians of Time, the Baobab Legacy. From Madagascar's ancient red soil, a legend begins, small, fragile, yet destined for eternity. Nurtured by rain, sun, and generations of care, the baobab learns resilience before it learns height. Years become decades. Roots dive deep. Trunks thicken. Time bends, but the baobab stands patient. Now giants rise, living towers of life, guarding water, sheltering communities, and anchoring the land. The baobab is not just a tree, it is memory, survival, and a promise that nature endures. Pineapple is one of the world's most consumed tropical fruits. But behind every perfectly cut slice lies a complex journey, one that is being completely transformed by autonomous robotics and artificial intelligence. Modern pineapple farming now begins with data. Autonomous drones and ground robots continuously scan the field, analyzing soil moisture, plant health, and fruit ripeness in real time. Unlike manual harvesting, robotic systems apply consistent precision, reducing bruising, minimizing waste, and harvesting only fruits that meet market-ready standards. Once harvested, autonomous logistics systems ensure rapid movement from field to factory, preserving freshness while reducing post-harvest losses. At the factory, artificial intelligence takes over, sorting pineapples by grade, washing them to export standards, and preparing them for multiple product lines. Robotic processing systems maximize yield.
At golden sunrise, a vast mango orchard awakens as a manned robotic harvester glides between fruit-laden trees, human control, guiding intelligent precision. Sensors scan for ripeness while robotic arms gently twist mangoes free, sending flawless fruits down padded conveyors. AI vision instantly sorts by size, color, and quality. Zero waste, maximum value. Neatly crated mangoes load onto a waiting trolley, rolling toward the farmhouse, as the harvester pauses beneath the trees where human skill meets the future of harvest.
humanoid robotic cassava harvester. At sunrise, a new kind of farmer steps into the cassava fields. Powered by artificial intelligence and human-like strength, a humanoid robot scans the soil for mature roots. With precise grip and controlled force, it pulls cassava cleanly from the earth, preserving quality and reducing waste. Built-in sensors instantly inspect each harvest, separating the best for market. Then, with effortless power, the robot hauls the roots to a waiting truck, loading them neatly for transport. This is not science fiction. This is the future of cassava. Harvesting, smart, efficient.